Hey guys, it's Heather. Today I'm going to be sharing with you our master bedroom makeover. We have been working on this project since February. It's been several months. We just wanted to go really slow and really pick out pieces that we absolutely loved. And our goal was to make everything like very fresh and very clean and easy to kind of transition out of. If we get tired of it in like a couple of years, we can just change out the curtains or some pillows, things like that. So I'm gonna link everything down below in the description box in case you are interested in any of the furniture or decor so you can easily find it. And I'm gonna insert a bunch of clips from the beginning of the project and kind of show you start to finish how this space used to look and give you a tour of how it looks now. And if you're new here, welcome. I do all different types of videos on like beauty, organization, cleaning, lifestyle, decor, all things like that. So definitely subscribe if you're interested, and let's get started. Okay, so we started off by taping the whole room out. Now the paint color is called linen white. It's a very yellowish tone and it's a flat paint. So we wanted to do something brighter and we chose the color Gray Mist by Benjamin Moore. So after we got the room painted out, we mounted the TV to the wall using a universal mount. We wanted something that was on the wall that we could kind of pull out and maneuver the way we wanted. The dressers also got delivered, so I transferred my clothes over. So we decided to go with a wallpaper. This is an adhesive wallpaper. It's removable and it's a very thin. I got it from Wayfair and I'm not a fan of how thin it is, but with a ton of patience and a little bit of maneuvering, we were able to make it work. But other brands like Wallpops and Tempaper, their wallpaper is much easier to work with and it's thicker. So while he's finishing up with the wallpaper, I'm just transferring over everything into our nightstands and getting it all nice and organized. So I have to take everything out of this dresser and move it into the closet. Luckily, a lot of it is maternity clothes, so I can put it upstairs. And this is the rug that we picked up. It is from Walmart. It was really affordable. I'll get more into it a little bit later on in the video. I ordered 2 mirrors for the bedroom. One I'm gonna put, I'm not sure yet, and then this one I'm thinking it's gonna go above the bed. So the bed just got delivered. I'm gonna remove all of the pillows and the old bedding and clear everything out. And this is what the bed looks like. It matches the dressers. It's really pretty and it was pretty easy to put together. So with 2 of us working on it, I would say it took maybe like an hour, a little more to put it together. So here's the bedding we picked up. This is a sheet set that we got from At Home for like, I think it was even cheaper than $29.99. And super soft sheets. And then I got this comforter set also from At Home for like $99. It's not a duvet, which is fine with me because I'm able to wash my comforter in my washing machine and I can always send it out and have it washed. But I think it's gonna look really nice and just simple. And then we can decorate it with like throw pillows and stuff around the room. Okay, so starting with the bed, I got the bed, the nightstands, the dressers, everything from Wayfair. And I wanted to get something very almost like retro 70s, but fresh and boho type of vibe. And I just loved the way the chevron pattern looked with the wood. I was instantly sold on it. And we wanted to get something that had a like whole bed, not just the headboard. So like the whole bed frame where you can put the mattress in it. The only thing I will say that I like and I dislike is that it is very high up, which is great because you can vacuum under there really easy, but then it's not great because everything's gonna show. You can't hide anything under there. And that's the same for all the furniture. It's just very high off the ground, which again is great for vacuuming. But if you're looking to hide things under your bed, you might not like it. So the bedding, I wanted to get something super affordable. I originally wanted to go with a duvet, but I couldn't find the duvet cover that looked like this. And I didn't want to spend a ton of money. So I went to the store, it's called At Home, and we got the comforter and 2 pillow shams for $99. It was a total steal, and so far it is working out really good. We really like it. It's very fresh and clean. So once I found the curtains that I absolutely love, I had such a hard time finding pillows that would match. So I found the website, it's called Society 6, and there are tons of different designers and different things that you can buy with patterns. So basically, if you find a pattern that you love, you can get a pillow, you can get coasters, you name it, you can get it pretty much. So I found this pattern and I said, you know what, it's close enough to match the curtains. The colors are close enough and it works really well. So I picked up a few of these different pillows. And then I found these pillows at Target and they look to be the same color. I love the fringe and the design of them. And they come in a few different sizes, so I picked up a couple for my bench that I'll show you over here in a minute. So I was stumped for a while as to what to put above the bed. And I thought maybe doing some pictures, I thought leaving it blank. And then when I saw this mirror, I thought that it would bring such a unique vibe. I absolutely love it. I think it looks great. We secured it to the wall with like a wire because it does make me nervous that it could fall, but we got that taken care of, so I'm much more comfortable now. So for this back wall, I wanted to do an accent wall. I originally wanted to do actual shiplap, but it's such a big commitment. So I was looking for removable wallpaper. I found a couple of sites that I had used in my other bedroom, better quality wallpaper. So this one, it was not easy to install. It was very frustrating. We had problems because the wall wasn't super level. So trying to get everything lined up was extremely difficult. I think it did come out decent, but it was very time consuming. And the adhesive paper that we got was very, very thin. I will link it down below, but if you're going to try it, I just want to throw it out there that it is extremely time consuming with this one, and it does take some time and it does take a lot of patience, so I just want to be 100% transparent. But overall, I think that it does look good. We can easily take it down if we end up not liking it. So I wanted to put some plants in here, but I ended up going with all faux plants. So these little ferns I picked up from Target. They were only like $19, something like that, but they're super cute. I wanted to keep my nightstand pretty open. I was gonna do lamps, but then I said, you know what? We have tons of natural light in here and we have a bunch of other lights. So as of right now, I think I'm just gonna leave it pretty plain. I like the way it looks plain. And then I picked up little matching coasters from Society 6 that match my throw pillows. This palm I picked up from Target. I'm thinking about getting a little basket, but I like this because if I get tired of it in this space, I can put it in other spaces. And I think that it was like 60 bucks from Target, and then they have a smaller size too if you didn't want something as big. The lighting isn't gonna be the best here because we're backlit with the huge windows coming in. These curtains I got off the Target website. We have a few different colors in this pattern. I decided to go with the green and blue, and I really, really like them. As soon as I saw the pattern, I fell in love with them. I knew that I wanted them in the bedroom. And they're definitely like almost a blackout. They're pretty thick, they're very sturdy, and I just think that they look so fun and fresh. So it's gonna be difficult to show you because of the light coming in, but I just wanted to give you kind of like an overview. I'll shut them so you can get a better picture. So they do block out quite a bit of light. It is super bright out there right now. The rug I got from Walmart, I believe, it was really affordable. I think that this is an 8x10 and it was like $200, something like that. And they have a bunch of different styles by this designer to choose from. Even though it's white, it's held up really well with stains and it's super easy to clean. I was undecided on this area for a while. I thought maybe we would get the other dresser that comes with this exact set. I'll put it up on the screen. And then I thought, you know what, we have the closets. We don't need it. I'd rather have like a little bench or a more open area. So I was looking for benches for a while. I found this bench. I loved it. I thought that it would look great. And I originally ordered these baskets for another area downstairs. I'll zoom down so you can see them. But they didn't work out down there, so I said, you know what? We can just tuck them under there. It'll be like extra storage for sweatshirts or whatever we may need if we do need extra storage. So that worked out perfectly. The pillows, again, from Society 6 and Target. And then I was trying to figure out what to put above it. I knew that I wanted a mirror in here. I really wanted something more full length. And I got this mirror a couple months ago and I've been so undecided as to which way I want to put it, either horizontal or vertical. And vertical I did really like, and I even asked you guys on Instagram what you liked better. And I feel like one day I want it this way, and then the next day I'm gonna want it vertical. But for right now, I feel like this kind of opens this space more. And if it does go this way, it's hard to kind of sit, but I think that that looks nice for now. I think this space came out really cute and I'm happy with it. So we did get one long dresser, which is working out great. My husband has one side and then I have the other, and we've been able to make it work. The TV before was just standing on our other dresser. Our other furniture we had had for probably 15 years. It wasn't like an investment quality piece of furniture, so we wanted to get something that was super sturdy that we knew that we would love for a while. So we mounted the TV on the wall, and it's great because we can pull it out if we want. We went with a universal TV stand. So I also did a quick makeover of my outdoor space. Got this from Bed Bath & Beyond, super affordable. Came with these little cushions down here. And then I got these from that website, Society 6. And I also got the matching coffee mug to match. The little lemon tree I got from Target. And I just think that it looks so cute. And then I also added just a little lantern that I put my citronella candle in if we're sitting out here at night, just to help keep the bugs away. This deck does get really dirty quickly. I did just clean it and here it is dirty again. But yeah, now we can sit outside and actually enjoy our little walkout. So that's everything for this video. I have a couple other makeover videos that will be coming up. Doing an entryway makeover video, laundry room, and eventually, probably like in a month, a backyard makeover video. These are projects that I've been filming for quite a while. I kind of wanted to take you through the process and then show you the before and after. So definitely subscribe if you're interested to see those upcoming videos, and then turn on the notifications. This way when I upload new videos, you'll get notified right away and you won't miss the upload. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys got some really good ideas, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the mirror above the bench. Do you like it horizontal or do you like it vertical? And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.